Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a fun, kind of just glowy tutorial. I wanted to do something light on the eyes and just kind of glowy skin. And I also have been dying to try this Dose of Colors Eyedeal Duo Pigment and Eyeshadow Primer Face Duo. If you guys want to see how to do this look, just keep watching. So sweaty from setting this whole background up. Oh my god. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray my skin with some Fix Plus. Since we're going to go for a more dewy, kind of fresh face skin, I want my skin to be super glowy instead of my normal trying to mattify it. For our primer today, we're going to go in with the Henrikson Banana Bright Face Primer, or you can go in with any illuminating face primer that you have. I personally don't have too many since I'm pretty oily, so this one will have to do. Next, with my beauty blender, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever HD foundation in the number 127. I really like this one because it has more of a natural finish. For concealer, we're going to use the Hourglass Vanish Concealer in Apricot. I'm going to set the under eyes with my Mercier translucent powder, just a little bit. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Wonder Beauty Powder Foundation in Golden Medium. And then before we get to our brows, I'm just going to again spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus. This will help blend everything together but also give more of a dewy finish. Okay, so next I'm just going to do my brows off camera really quickly. Okay, so brows are on, and I also went ahead and primed my lids with P. Louise base, and then I just set it with a skin tone color. So I am going to use my Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and I'm going to go in with middle bottom shade just to go in my crease on a fluffy brush. I'm going to use the MAC 224. So what do you guys think of my white background, or just like a plain background? I got this a while ago. Since this whole shelter in place, work from home situation, everyone in my household is home 24/7, and so it can be kind of hard to film when my boyfriend's always home. On the weekends, he likes to play Call of Duty, and normally I just kick him out for a few hours, but I do feel really bad because all of his stuff's in our room, so there's not much he can do. But what do you guys think of this plain background? Okay, so next we're just going to deepen up the outer corner just a little bit, and we're going to use this dark brown shade right here on a Morphe R37, which is just a fluffy, a little bit denser brush. I don't think that this would be like necessarily my background, permanent background going forward. It's just something different. So our lid color is going to be Dose of Colors, and I've never tried this before. It's the Eyedeal Duo in Shell. The top part is like a primer. It's a cream consistency, and then the bottom is a loose pigment. So let's try it. Let's try putting it on with our finger first. Ooh, this by itself is really pretty. So just gonna put a thin layer on our lid with our finger. Of course, it's the nail that came off, you know, quarantine nails. Although I do my nails myself, so I don't really have an excuse. I need to do them again. Okay, so we have a thin layer on our lid, and next we're just going to use the pigment. But it's a nice like shimmer, but it has chunks of glitter in it, which is really nice. That's really pretty. I like that the duo comes with the primer, the sticky base, and then the glitter shimmer on the bottom. I'm gonna deepen the outer corner a bit. Highlight shade underneath the brows. Next, we're just gonna apply some lashes. I'm not gonna do too crazy of a lash because I do want the focus to be on the skin and to be able to still see the really pretty glitter and shimmer. I'm gonna use Koko lashes in Misha. They're just a really nice wispy lash. Okay, so lashes are on, and while I was doing my mascara, which by the way, this is the first time in months that I put on mascara and had to curl my lashes because normally I have lash extensions. But while I was doing that, while I was doing that and putting on my lashes, I actually started to vlog, and it's been something that I've been wanting to do for a while now. I'm just really shy when it comes to vlogging, which I know is so weird because I, you know, make these kind of videos, but I feel like vlogging is more of a personal, like I'm talking to somebody and it's more like explaining like what you're doing. I don't know. It's probably just all in my head, and so I've always been super shy to start vlogging, but I did it. Hopefully, fingers crossed, if it turns out decent, I will have a vlog. And since we are going through shelter in place and quarantine, I think we're going on like week 8. I wanted to do what a typical week of shelter in place looks like for me. So hopefully, fingers crossed, a vlog will actually come out of this. Next, we are going to do our contour. I'm going to use the warm shade of my Smashbox contour palette and then the contour shade after, just right underneath my cheekbones and then a little bit on my temple. And then go in with the contour shade a little bit higher than where you placed your warmer shade. You want the contour shade to be a little bit higher than your bronzer shade because the contour shade is really what's going to create that shadow. We're going to go in with MAC Lovejoy, which is a kind of matches my shadow now that I see it, but it's a mauve blush with like gold reflex in it. And then the ultimate glowy, or in my opinion, the ultimate glowy highlighter. Ofra highlighter in Blissful. We're just going to use a Morphe M510 and go on the top of the cheekbones. Wow. And then you're gonna hit a little bit where the arch of your brow is. You're just gonna hit a little bit on the temple. For my lips, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Total Taupe Liner and the MAC Midimauve lipstick. We're going to add a little bit of nose shade from Dose of Colors in the center of the lips. And lastly, we're just going to add the dark brown shade right underneath the lash line. And this is the final look. So I ended up going for more of a glam, glowy look. Perfect look to go watch a movie on your couch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys have any requests, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of my next upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.